So then, it's official. T-Series has just become the most subscribed to channel on YouTube.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
So we took a calculated risk. We prepped a video a week in advance of T-Series overtaking PewDiePie, and we were all set to launch it the moment that happened. But on Thursday, we noticed a trending spike in the related search terms. At the time, T-Series was around 100,000 subscribers behind, and it would take maybe another 24 hours for them to take over. So we jumped the gun, launched a video, and hey presto, 60,000 views later, we thought we made the right choice. Until this guy screwed us over. Hello, my name's Rob, welcome to vidIQ, the YouTube tool and channel that aims to help you get more views and more subscribers in less time by educating you on your YouTube journey. Our Chrome extension is free to download and it will help you research YouTube, analyze videos, audit your own channel and take actionable steps that will help grow your channel. A link is in the description and the best news is it's free. Right then, let's delve in. This channel goes by the name of MrBeast and it looks like it's been single-handedly responsible for gifting PewDiePie over 500,000 subscribers in the last 24 hours. This is going to require a little explanation. How do I describe MrBeast? Well, first of all, I don't think he'll take your cookies if you don't subscribe and turn on notifications, but he does have a very impressive 9.2 million subscribers as I record this. His description lists ridiculous accomplishments such as counting to 200,000, Ubering across America, and saying Logan Paul 100,000 times, and obviously all these are completely fake. Yeah, I'm not sure if really counts as Logan Paul, but after 17 hours of this, I'll give him the benefit of a doubt. It's not just silly challenges he takes on, however. MrBeast will Uber people in a tank, try to push a car with just fans, and frequently he donates a lot of cash to, well, whoever he feels like. Now, sometimes these recipients aren't in desperate need of such charity, but if it gets the views, it's all good in the YouTube universe, right? Alright then, with all that in mind, T-Series versus PewDiePie, here comes backup.
I bought a bunch of billboards.
Dude, we got the double billboard. We don't mess around.
Went on TV.
Grab your phone, go on YouTube, search PewDiePie, and subscribe to him.
And much more to try and stop T-Series from passing PewDiePie in subscribers.
Now, I'm going to go out on a limb here and say, I don't think for a second that buying some advertising space in a single US city and on a couple of websites, appearing in the local media, is going to generate too many subscribers for PewDiePie. However, what this does do is create a really zany story that pinpoints the target audience that is interested in a very trending topic. And this is what happens to the views. Pretty much everything I'm about to tell you will be out of date the second I say it, but right now MrBeast's video supporting PewDiePie has racked up 7.5 million views and it's very well engaged with over 400,000 likes and 50,000 comments. Forget the actual traditional advertising to subscribe to PewDiePie, this is the true promotion platform. It has galvanized an audience through the power of a popular social media influencer to take action. It's impossible to say just how many subscribers can be linked from this video, or the tweets that have been posted, or the huge Reddit conversations that have started, but the raw numbers are thus. In the last month, prior to MrBeast's video, PewDiePie averaged 30,000 subscribers a day. Since that video, he's averaged in excess of 200,000 subscribers per day. In the space of around 48 hours, the gap between T-Series and PewDiePie has gone from around 100,000 subscribers to being back over 400,000 in PewDiePie's favour. Oh, and if you're interested, MrBeast has tripled his daily sub count as well, thanks to this ingenious idea. In this equation, PewDiePie wins, MrBeast wins, even T-Series, yeah, remember them, they've seen an uptick in their subscriber count as well, and eventually they will become the most subscribed channel on YouTube. That seems inevitable at this point. But in the meantime, we've got a YouTube story that all sorts of channels are benefiting from. It's how a channel called Flare TV currently has 8,000 people watching a live stream with a sub count and has racked up nearly 200,000 subscribers. By the way, they started this stream on the 1st of September, almost 60 days ago. It's how we, through a series of live streams and related content such as the video you are watching right now, have increased watch time over 250% in the last month, and by whatever factor this is, in the last 2 weeks. So yes, MrBeast, you may be the reason our original video on T-Series beating PewDiePie tanked and why everybody hates it. But at the same time, you're the reason we're all still here talking about it, feeding procrastinators of the world the habit they crave, watching two arbitrary numbers compete against each other, which nobody's going to care about this time next week. Or maybe the week after. I'm not hedging my bets on this one.